Welcome to Wendy's Kitchen Wonders, where I bring you quick and easy cooking recipes that will save you time and energy. With my time-saving and energy-efficient recipes, you'll be able to whip up delicious meals in no time. So let's get started. First up, I have a mouth-watering one-pot pasta dish. No need to boil the pasta separately. Simply add your favorite pasta, some fresh vegetables, and a delicious sauce all in one pot. Cook it all together, and voila! A hassle-free dinner that saves you both time and energy. Next, I have a super speedy stir-fry. Chop up some vegetables, toss them in a hot pan, add your choice of protein, and stir-fry it all together with a tasty sauce. In just a few minutes, you'll have a healthy and flavorful meal that will leave you feeling satisfied. Looking for a quick and easy breakfast option? Try the overnight oats recipe. Simply mix oats, milk yogurt, and your favorite toppings in a jar, and let it sit in the fridge overnight. In the morning, grab your jar of deliciousness and enjoy a nutritious and effortless breakfast. And if you're craving something sweet, I have you covered too. Our microwave mug cakes are the perfect solution. Just mix a few ingredients in a mug, pop it in the microwave, and within minutes you'll have a warm and delectable dessert that requires minimal effort. Thanks for joining me on Effortless Eats. I hope these time-saving and energy-efficient recipes inspire you to get creative in the kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy recipes. Happy cooking, and thanks for watching.